Hi, my name is Jeff, and I am the co-founder of Lobo Leads. I believe you spoke with my wife Megan recently about a video to provide some tips and insight into digital marketing for M3 Mobile Concrete. Now, since you don't have a website for your business, I wanted to send you a quick video to show what your competition is doing and how developing a digital marketing presence can have a huge benefit for your business, particularly when it comes to gaining new customers. So after digging, I was able to locate your Home Advisor page for M3 Mobile Concrete, which is very important to have in your field, but not necessarily a customized website. As a result, you're not pulling as much traffic to your business at least from a digital marketing angle. So we know that most business owners are extremely busy, and they don't have time to handle all the marketing needs of their business. So I started, along with Megan, making these videos for other small business owners to help maximize their online presence and get as many customers to their website as possible. If you have any questions or you'd like to discuss this any further, we'd love to hop on a call and talk. But either way, this video is 100% yours to keep, and hopefully it'll help you create a website that builds your business up even further. So the three things we're going to go over today are content, backlinks, and citations. Content is anything on the front page of your site that Google can read, so that all the text on the front page, text within your images, and whatever images are saved as. Now, since you don't have an actual website to yourself, what I'll do is I'll just do a quick search of concrete Lubbock. And we'll just pick this first one here, Galindo. And so all this, any text right here, that's considered content, images, things like that. That's what Google reads through. Now, to be considered authority in Google's eyes, you're going to want to have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words for your front page. And you're going to want it to be stuffed with content that has to do with buyer intent. So specifically, you'd like to be looking at things like targeting concrete Lubbock, Lubbock concrete. That does make a difference, the order of the words, because that's what people are searching for. And other keywords that will help drive business to your website. And so that way, whenever people type in those searches, yours is the first site that pops up. This is where a customized business website would really shine, because you can include things not only keywords, but you can do things like customer testimonials or comments if you have, ratings, links to your social media pages, and then definitely you want to include pictures of previous projects, even before and afters, if you have those. People tend to really gravitate towards before and after photos. The next thing I wanted to go over is backlinks. The thing with Google is that it can be like a popularity contest, because they judge you by how many websites are pointing back at you. Now, it's very important to remember not all backlinks are created equal. So what that means is you're going to gain a lot more influence from backlinks that are related to your industry. For example, a reputable home improvement blog that mentions your company, or a popular website that features various types of concrete pouring techniques, something that has to do with the services that you offer, which is much better than, say, a backlink from Domino's or Macy's that have nothing to do with your actual services. So just for demonstration purposes, I went ahead and plugged in that Home Advisor page that we found. So no backlinks are going to it, no referring domains, which is very, very common. It's hard to customize something like the Home Advisor page to do what you're trying to do with keywords. And you're not getting any organic traffic from there either. So what I wanted to do is take a look at one of your competitors. And the one that I ended up looking at is that same one, Galindo Concrete. And what you can see here is that they have 35 backlinks from 10 different domains, and that is driving about 62 people per month to their website. And so what that means is they have an opportunity to convert some of that 62 into actual paying customers. A strategy that we employ is basically just going in, taking a look at the backlinks that they have, and replicating it and then adding to it. So getting more backlinks to get you pushed up further into the top Google search results. The last thing I wanted to talk to you about is something called citations. These are very important because what they do is they allow you to show up in what's called the Google Map Pack, which after typing in concrete Lubbock here and running search, this right here is what's called the Google Map Pack. And you can see that Galindo again is at the top here. And essentially what you do for citations is you have to have your name, address, and phone number listed. And I apologize for any background noise. I'm recording this at the beach, so my apologies for that. What you want to do is have your name, address, and phone number listed on any of the online directories like Yelp. Home Advisor is one of them. White Pages, Yellow Pages, those are online directories. So having more of those listed. And same kind of strategy, just going in, replicating what Galindo has, and adding like a 20 to 30% cushion so that you show up in the top here. Other than that, if you have any questions, you are obviously more than welcome to give us a call. Hopefully this provided a little bit more insight into what it would mean to have a website and what it can do for you. And thank you so much again for watching.